General aviation is well overdue for reform. We're on the cusp of a $100 billion shift in the status quo of aviation technologies. We want you to be a part of Australia's first electric airline.
WA is on its way to making history, preparing to roll out Australia's first electric plane network.
The first flight route will travel from here at Jandakot Airport and arrive over at Rottnest Island.
This electric aircraft taking to the skies in WA.
A Perth company is planning to build Australia's first electric aviation network.
I'm Coram, founder of FlyOnE, and we're building Australia's advanced air mobility network. The legacy aviation sector is long overdue for reform. FlyOnE is ushering in an entirely new era of aviation for Australians. Advanced air mobility refers to an interconnected network of key locations in metro and regional areas to create a customer-centric network of air transport services. The rapid rise of electric aircraft is enabling the development of this network, offering lower cost and lower emissions with greater safety and greater comfort than legacy aircraft. Since 2020, FlyOnE has been introducing these next-generation aircraft to Australian airspace, with over 70 additional electric and H2 aircraft in the pipeline. FlyOnE has already established the basis of electric aircraft supply and infrastructure in Australia, with 5 sites active in 2 states and electric pilot training active with 3 flight schools in Australia.
Electric vehicles are soaring in popularity, and a Perth company is taking that demand into the skies.
This implementation officially launches Australia's first electric charging network. It connects this airport with Jandakot.
Tomorrow's air taxis, and they're already being trialled here in Melbourne. Battery powered and charged by the sun.
FlyOnE is working with other Victorian airports, including Moorabbin and Tayab, to facilitate air taxi services.
We already have air taxi services underway in Western Australia. Now it's time to grow and scale to a nationwide delivery system of electric air services to reach more Australians. FlyOnE has established electric pilot training in Australia with a strategy to export up to $100 million per year of pilot training to international students, as well as reduce the cost and emissions for domestic pilot training. FlyOnE has secured the supply of the world's best next generation 2-, 4- and 5-seat electric aircraft for pilot training and advanced air mobility. With each new ground site we activate, we are establishing public charge infrastructure and renewable energy supply. The cost of energy supply is the big Achilles heel for legacy aviation right now. FlyOnE has removed that vulnerability from our supply chain and turned it into a strength. As our manufacturing partners increase supply capacity, FlyOnE will expand electric air transport services to key regions in Australia, raising the accessibility and the customer experience of air transport while reducing the negative environmental effects and the cost. The time to act for the future of Australian aviation is now. We're excited to have you as our wingman as we change the shape of aviation in Australia.